What would happen if you never slept again? After just 24 hours, your brain starts slowing down. Your reaction time becomes as bad as someone who's drunk.
$522,000 in just 1 month. Yes, you heard that right. According to Social Blade, this channel earns more than $522,000 every single month. So what exactly do they do? They simply upload viral AI-generated skeleton videos. And here's the crazy part, you can do this too. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can create videos just like this channel and start earning money from them. So let's begin. First, go to ChatGPT and click on the Apps button. Then select GPTs. In the search bar, type Skeleton Shorts. And from the results, choose Skeleton Shorts Topic Generator. Click Start. It will ask whether you already have a topic idea for your video, or if you want ChatGPT to suggest topics for you. If you don't have any idea yet, simply type No. ChatGPT will then generate several viral-worthy video ideas that have the potential to gain a lot of views. Next, go to this prompt document. If you want this document, just comment prompt below this video and I'll send it to you. Now copy the prompt from the document and go back to ChatGPT. Start a new chat and paste the prompt there. After that, insert the video idea you selected into the prompt and press Enter. ChatGPT will now generate the voiceover script for the video along with the visual prompts for each scene. Copy the generated content. Now go back to Explore GPTs and search for Skeleton 3D Viral Shorts Generator. Paste the content there and type Give one main prompt for each scene, then press Enter. This tool will generate the main scene prompt for each scene, a combined voiceover script, and animation prompts for all the scenes. Next, open Google Whisk. Select the aspect ratio 9:16 since we are creating a vertical video, and lock the seed from here. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene prompt, paste it into Whisk, and click Generate. Whisk will give you 2 image outputs. Download the one that looks better. Now repeat the same process for the second scene prompt and generate the second image. Then copy the third scene prompt, generate the third image, and download it. The result looks amazing. Follow the same process to generate images for all the scenes in your video. Once all the images are ready, we need to turn them into videos. For that, open Google Flow and click New Project, then select Video. Go to Ingredients and set the aspect ratio to Portrait, the output to 1, and the model to VO3 Fast. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt for Scene 1. Paste it into Flow and generate the video. The result looks amazing. Next, go back and copy the animation prompt for Scene 2. Paste it into Flow and generate the second video.
Almost got it. Oh. Out of power. Error.
This one also looks perfect, exactly as we wanted. Follow the same process to generate videos for all the scenes and download them. Now it's time to generate the voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover script. Then open Google AI Studio and select Single Speaker Audio. Paste the script there. From the list of voices, listen to a few options and choose the one that best fits your video. For this example, I'll select the Enceladus voice. After that, click the Run button. Within seconds, Google AI Studio will generate a natural-sounding human voiceover. Listen to the result.
What would happen if you never slept again? After just 24 hours, your brain starts slowing down. Your reaction time becomes as bad as someone who's drunk. After 48 hours, your body panics. Stress hormones rise. Your immune system weakens. By 72 hours,
And if everything sounds good, download the voiceover. Now comes the final step, editing and assembling everything together. You can use any basic video editor for this. I'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the video clips along with the voiceover. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline first, then listen to the narration, and start placing the video clips according to the scenes so that they match the voiceover perfectly. Once everything looks good and synced properly, export the video in the highest resolution possible. And that's it. Your viral AI-generated skeleton video is ready. This is exactly how you can create these viral skeleton videos using free AI tools. If you want to see more tutorials about using AI tools for content creation, make sure to subscribe to the Spidzro AI and also check out the other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
What would happen if you never slept again? After just 24 hours, your brain starts slowing down. Your reaction time becomes as bad as someone who's drunk. After 48 hours, your body panics. Stress hormones rise. Your immune system weakens. By 72 hours, things get scary. You may start hallucinating, seeing things that aren't even there. After a week without sleep, your brain struggles to function. Memory collapses. Thinking becomes almost impossible. In extreme cases, total sleep deprivation can be fatal. Your body simply cannot survive without rest. So tonight, when you think about staying up all night, remember, sleep isn't laziness.